How do I unblock messages on my iPhone?
Welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we're going to be showing you how to unblock messages on your iPhone. If you've ever blocked someone by accident, or you've made peace with an old contact, this tutorial will guide you on how to reverse the blocking process.
What does blocking do?
When you block a contact on your iPhone, you will no longer receive calls, messages, or FaceTime from that number or contact. Remember, this doesn't delete the contact or the number from your phone, but simply prevents them from reaching you through these channels.
Checking your blocked list.
Before we proceed with unblocking, it's important to check who is on your blocked list. 1. Open Settings on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap on Messages. 3. Scroll down again and tap on Blocked Contacts. Here you can see a list of all blocked contacts.
How to unblock a contact.
Now let's dive into how you can unblock someone from sending you messages. 1. In the Blocked Contacts list, find the contact or number you want to unblock. 2. Swipe left on the contact, and then you'll see the red Unblock button. 3. Tap the Unblock button, and the contact will be removed from your blocked list.
Confirming the unblock.
To ensure that the unblocking process was successful, 1. Go back to the Blocked Contacts section in the Messages settings. 2. The contact you just unblocked should no longer be listed. And there you have it. That contact can now once again reach you through messages, calls, and FaceTime. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to unblock messages on your iPhone. We hope you found it helpful, and now feel comfortable with the process. Remember, you can always re-block a contact if you need to. As always, let us know if you have any questions or if there are other iPhone features you're curious about. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.